In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Surfshark quickly and easily in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to boost your online security or unlock restricted content, acquiring Surfshark is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First, you need to head over to the Surfshark official website. Simply open your web browser and type in surfshark.com. This site is your gateway to one of the most reliable VPN and cybersecurity suites today. Once you're on the page, take a moment to explore if you're curious. But for now, let's focus on acquiring Surfshark efficiently. Next, you'll want to click on the prominently displayed Get Surfshark button. You can usually find this at the top of the home page. Once clicked, it will direct you to a page where you can select the plan that suits your needs the best. Surfshark offers various plans, often with discounts, so you can choose the one that aligns with your budget and intended use. Whether you prefer a monthly plan or want to commit to a longer subscription for a better deal, this choice is entirely up to you. After selecting your plan, the next step is to click on the Get One button when prompted. This step further confirms your choice and prepares you to proceed with the payment process. Keep an eye out for any promotions or special offers that might be available, as these can add significant value to your purchase. Moving on, you'll complete your payment. Enter your payment details carefully, checking that everything is accurate to avoid any issues. Surfshark typically accepts various payment methods, so choose the one that's most convenient for you, be it a credit card, PayPal, or another service. Once your payment is successfully processed, you're ready to use Surfshark. The next step requires you to log into your account. Navigate to the login page on the Surfshark website and enter your credentials. If it's your first time, you might have to create a password or verify your email, depending on the registration process. Completing this step ensures that you have immediate access to Surfshark's suite of services. There you have it. You've just set up Surfshark in no time at all. Remember, using a VPN not only helps secure your browsing, but often provides access to content you wouldn't ordinarily see. If you encounter any issues during setup, Surfshark offers customer support to guide you through the process or to answer any questions you might have. Thank you for following along with me today. Now, go ahead and enjoy a safer, more liberated internet experience with Surfshark. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick setup guides.